Hey guys, Dave Duford here with a quick reminder to join me at one of my boot camps coming up next month on August 14th and August 15th. We've got two boot camps coming up. One with Jason, who's going to be heading up a final expense telesales mastery boot camp. And then another with Scott Bradley, who's going to be training agents on how to sell annuities face-to-face. So in case you can't hear me over this screamer right here, get rid of her. Then here's what you need to do to learn more. You can go down below to the links to check out how either of those boot camps work. We've got an early bird special running till Tuesday and Wednesday, respectively, for either the telesales and the annuity event. So click the links below to learn more and register while you can. Time is running out and get registered and get that discount. So please check it out if you're wanting to sell more final expense over the phone and learn a system on how to do it, duplicate one in which Jason has sold 226 final expense apps in the last 19 weeks. And then Scott's system, which helped him in 1 month earn more than $20 million in annuity production. This is something you want to check out. So check out the links below in the description box, and hope to see you there. Bye.